It's a question of my heart. You got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Yeah. It's a question of my love. You got it. Baby, don't worry. Yes, people, good night. Now, that was a viral video that I saw on social media and I had to bring it on my page. Now, people, everything I thought them blame Donna. You get me? I say? I saw this particular person post this on their page with these two pictures. That one is saying before Donna and after Donna. And guys, the other day I saw a next video where Solanie is walking up and down and she really look bad, people, in my opinion. But you can see the way they are trying to paint a bad picture on Donna and make it seem as if Donna did a bad job to Solanie when Donna was the only one out of anyone else who ever try her best help out Solanie, or when Solanie disrespect her, Donna always try her best and look out for Solanie, guys. And these persons on social media, they are so disrespectful, they are so mixed up, and they try to paint a bad picture about Donna. Or when Donna is doing her best, them always make it seem as if Donna is a bad person. Now Solanie was sleeping, and apparently some persons throw some juice in her mouth, people. And I said to myself that these persons are crazy on social media. Every little thing at all they take for joke. You see me? So if Solanie is on her face right now, people, the people them take it for joke thing. You see me? And them call Donna name. And I'm saying, how can you rejoice of someone not feeling so well and someone not doing so well? Because looking at Solanie right now, people, it now look like she do well than at all, people. You get me I say? But at the end of the day still, guys, I pray and hope that things may change for her. You get me I say? And these persons, they need to stop it. They need to stop all these things that we are doing. It's not funny. It's not funny at all. When they are trying to put Donna name in saga with Solanie, it does not look good. And them can't make Donna look bad because, as I said before, Donna is the only person who look out for Solanie in this way. Donna is the only person who make sure that Solanie good now and then. You see me? More times Solanie disrespect Donna and Donna still come back on the plank matters that don't help Solanie. She still try her best and help Solanie, guys. You see me? But these pages on Facebook, they are making Donna look bad, in which she's not a bad person when it comes to caring and giving. You see me? And guys, I know that this thing gonna rumble on because these persons on social media, them take thing for joke thing. You see me? I saw them post this also. I'm gonna read it out to you guys. Really joke thing. It goes like this: Solanie before and after being extradited by Donna go with aka Donna, Aunty Donna, under unregistered charity. Them tag Solanie Anderson, them tag Aunty Donna, them tag Donna Go, Andrew Onis, and Mark Gordon. See me? The same Facebook page, everybody talking them same way so TV. These persons on social media are giving a lot of trouble and they are making it seem as if persons are doing wrong in which they are doing right. Guys, Donna is not Solanie mother. Donna is not Solanie family. It's just the grace of Donna heart why she gives Solanie some things when she can. Donna cannot do every little thing at all for Solanie. Donna have her family right now in America to take care of. See me? And Donna have to make sure say she herself live healthy and do the right thing. So certain things Donna cannot take up on her head. So when some person are coming on her phone and put out certain things to make Donna look bad, it not gonna work. It not gonna work, people. You see me? I'm gonna understand why them always do them thing here on social media and them realize there's no result, because when them try to bring down Donna is always getting famous and famous day by day. You see me? And what the haters them do, them make Donna rise to the occasion. I say to myself, sir, this person will never learn. This person do the same thing over and over. Them bring across the same message. Them get the same result and them try the same thing over and over. Guys, in my opinion, Solanie look like say a minor there, so she look like she's a different person. And one would ask what could have happened to her, what could have transpired, what could have caused this. You see me? Wonder if her son is taking care of her. That person is wondering what is going on with her, people. You see me? But let's watch and see what's going to take place with Solanie, guys. But I wish her all the best, nothing but the best and thing. Because Solanie is a woman with full of joy and happiness. One thing with her, she always happy. And she always make her fans them smile, people. One thing with Solanie, when she talk to you, is nothing but laughter and love. So the people them make it look like Solanie is a sick person. Maybe she's not sick, but maybe she go through stress right about now, people. And you know, she don't know how to express it because she don't have nobody to talk to. You see me? But guys, me gonna read something to now again. I want to tell me my opinion because you see them people on social media. So it goes like this: say, another one of Aunty Donna victim. Let's keep Solanie in our prayers. Another one of Aunty Donna victims. People, come on now. Come on now. Why these persons is spreading false things on Donna? Why are these persons doing this to Donna? You see me? Donna not doing them nothing at all. Donna live her life in America and she basically doing the right thing, and the people them is just doing all these things to the woman. I try to bring her to make she look bad, make it look like she had the reason why Solanie stays so. So people, this not gonna stop, you know. This ain't gonna stop, guys. This not gonna stop. Because these persons out there, it just for just bring on the woman and make it look like so the woman is doing bad things. And you know, when I always think to myself and say, what do they get from this? You see me? What do you gain from trying to bring on your own black brother or your own black sister? What do you gain? There's no gain there, so people, because this. So people, I'm watch and talk about the outcome. I'm watch and talk about the outcome because you know that page can always be an enemy towards Donna and always bring out the negative things them. You see me? Because when Donna do good and thing, them not bring it out, them not highlight it. Them bring out the negative things because that is what pay them. Negative things is what pay them. And in the understand, so the more them do it, is the more the lady not gonna pay them the mind and that thing because there's no attention for them. Because here says T girl on the page of people. You see me, that a person is there T girl on the page. But she got so reach her in due time, people. Right now, on social media, turn upside down right about now, people, because most people them eat Donna for no reason at all. See me? And I wonder where them get from this. We want to get from this. What are you guys looking on social media? When people do good things and they don't talk about it. But then they can see Solanie is sick and I talk the most bad things about the woman. See me? And I make it look like Donna responsible for what is happening to Solanie. No, sir. That's all the stay on social media. Wanna cause too much problem. Wanna cause too much passa and casa on social media. Uno are the main reason why the social media drama can't stop. Because when things come out, wanna run with it. Wanna bring memories of Donna and Solanie and all kind of negative things. You see me? I may say, guys, what is there to gain for try to bring down somebody? What is there to gain in try to make somebody feel bad? Only now win. Only not gonna win, guys. You see me? And for those who are laugh and thing, it's a matter of time. It's a matter of time, yo. Donna is not perfect. Donna do certain things that are more. She should not say more time. You see me? But what we know for certain is that Donna not do the negative things like how them people on social media a chant be negative things about the woman. Them need to go sit down and go find sitting and do. Them look like say them not have nothing at all for them have to do. Them not a man for stay with that thing. Why not make them page here for bring down Donna and spreading a line of rumors and thing? Wanna try to show people say, oh, Donna is a bad person, oh, Donna is a scammer? No. The police not investigate her and nobody not check up on her and things. So why are you guys doing investigation about Donna? Why not investigate about Donna? Why not investigate about Donna and a charity? No, sir. Why not use Solanie against Donna? Why are you guys doing that? Why me couldn't not do that, people? You see me? Best up on the safe here, guys. You see my people? So I'm going to do anything here, guys. Thanks to those who like the video. Thanks to those who share their thoughts in the comment section, people. And wish all the best to Solanie, people. And hope and pray say your person can come on board and help her. If not, her son can help her, somebody can help her and things, guys. Because we cannot judge a book by cover.
but it looks like the Solanie is going through some things. See me? But they must not use Donna against, use Solanie against Donna. That's not right. As we say again, Donna is the main player who help regarding Solanie, helping Solanie. Donna is the one who done it. See me? And these persons on here, they are real troublemaker.